Welcome back to another video of Cortex XSOAR. So guys, today what we are going to do is we will do an integration and sync that integration across all the hosts and accounts that we have in Cortex. The integration that we are going to use today is Shodan, which will come in handy for our other videos as well, because I'm planning to do some threat intelligence programs from the Cortex XSOAR itself to automate it. So let's get into it. So if you are new to the Cortex XSOAR, we have few videos that we introduce the Cortex XSOAR and the installation and everything. I will link to them in the description. So let's go into the Shodan. So what Shodan is, this is like a search engine for devices and ports and many more things. This is very powerful. You can use it for multiple purposes, for port scans, vulnerabilities, and to identify command and control servers, much more things. So first you would need to create an account in Shodan, which I already have, and we will have to get the API key from this one. I will show you how to get the API key. So go into your account and click here, REST API key, and here you would see the API key. So now we will go to our XSOAR and settings, all the tenants are running, marketplace, type here Shodan, search, click on it, install. So what it says here is our base is little bit old, so it will update the base as well when the installation is done. So we have to wait a little bit here until the installation is done. Okay, now it's done. Refresh content, we go settings, account management, and select the tenant. If you have more tenants, you can select them. If you want to push this to specific tenants, you can select the specific tenants, anything you want. And go here, sync accounts, right, sync. Here also it will take a little bit time, maybe 30 seconds. And after the syncing, you will be able to see the content pack and all the integrations, playbooks, everything in the tenant. Still going. Done. Now we will switch to tenant and go to settings, instances, Shodan. Here we have Shodan. So now we will use our API key from Shodan. Here, paste it, trust any certificate, and do not use by default. Now we will test it. So do not use by default option will save your API calls, because it will stop from XOR using it for unnecessary enrichments. So the things that you will mention will only use this API. So as you can see, now we have a success. That means the API is now configured. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the integrations, and you can try this method with any other integration that you would like to do via Aristotle, Expose, anything you want, but we will use this one for our future videos. So make an account and be ready with the FAQ. So thank you guys for tuning in. We have some more videos on the Cortex XSOAR. I will leave the links to them in the description, and the link of the Shodan as well. It's easier for you to then find that and create the account. Thank you again. See you guys in the next video.